this is Ru from Ether. Welcome to Shen Zhen Xin Electronics Company. High-quality LED product manufacturing starts here. The company is located in Bao'an District, Shenzhen, focusing on the research and development, production and sales of high-quality LED products. Now it has its own brand, Xin Ming. The company has a modern R&D base and does free and anti-static production workshop in Dongguan, and has an internationally advanced ASM complete set of automatic photoelectric manufacturing equipment. So far, Xin Ming has formed 3 types of LED products based on indicator LED, lighting LED, and backlight LED. The products are compliant with the EU Roads Environmental Protection Directive and have passed RoHS, REACH, SDS, and other international certifications. Widely used in digital communication products, portable electronic products, electronic displays, outdoor lighting, engineering LED lighting fixture, automotive electronics, and other fields. In today's continuous innovation of LED, we are also committed to providing customers with personalized customization service for special products. Now we are heading to the 100,000 gram purification workshop. Before we enter it, we need to go through this dust removal room. Let's go and see it. Established Shen Zhen Xin Company in 2004 with a 100,000 gram purification constant temperature and humidity anti-static production workshop, mainly produced virus LED, including PCB, bracket, and top type directory. As you can see our dust-free factory, we produce LED for renowned customers around the world. As a team with 20 years of management experience in domestic packing enterprises, it witnessed the rapid development of LED industry, accumulated rich experience in LED, R&D, and packaging technology, formed a scientific management system. Our products are the results of experienced manufacture process, rigorous quality control, and carefully selected raw material supplies. The massive production due to the high quality demand and competitive price in LED industry. When the products are bonded wire, they will be put in here. Molding workshop. These are our molding machines. This is our testing and packaging workshop. This is the LED surface inspection. They are testing the products right now. Xin Ming has its own laboratory. Xin Ming provides excellent sales service and strong technical support to our customers. Nowadays, Xin Ming has already shipped their products to all over the world, such as South America, Europe, and Asia. Take a look at our finished products. In our factory showroom, all kinds of LED are mounted in the display board. As you see, there are single color LED, dual color LED, full color LED, etc. We have ready-made designs and special designs to adapt and match different PCB needs of the production line. Products are widely used in automobile manufacturing, smartphone, medical equipment, electronic assembly, and other industries. From sample to production, we have established a detailed set of tracking service files for each customer, ensuring product consistency and inertia. The product has the characteristic of low power consumption, high brightness, and the energy saving.
We will provide the best service for our customers. Looking forward to cooperating with you. Contact us.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.